Hi everyone, welcome back. We are continue with the additional of this newspaper on May the 14th on Thursday 2020. The fifth puzzle of today's additional is a binary puzzle. So let's see what kind of binary puzzle this is. Let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row there's always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. We have a double O here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1. Here an O. There an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. So the rest are 1's. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two 1's comes in O. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1 here and O, then O. Double O here and 1, then 1. Between two 1's comes an O. Between two 1's comes an O. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1's in this column. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1 here and O, then O. Double O here and 1, then 1. Between two 1's comes an O. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Then I cannot continue. I need to compare. Yes, I need to compare. 1. No. How about no. It's almost the same here, but I need one number. I think I'm stuck. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is almost the same. One, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it's correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. It's almost the same, but I need an extra digit. 1. Come on. Why can I not continue? I'm stuck. This one, 101. Do I have a 101? No. 110. This is different. These 3 are almost the same. Yes, you have 3 now. If I place an O here, Yes. Then I need to place double 1 there. So it will be identical with this row. So I cannot place an O there, so this must be an 1. Now those two are almost identical, but I do not know where can I place the 1 and where can I place the O. Is it here or there? Anyway, here between two ones comes an O, and this one is almost the same with this one. And no. Yeah, this one. Okay. So 10, and this one is almost the same with this one. Oh, okay, we have 3 O's now. Can I place the O here, O there, or the O here? Double 1 here. It's almost the same. This column is almost the same with this column. The question is, look, O. Oh no, this is different. Okay, so it's not identical. Almost identical. Alright. Ooh, tough one. I need to think. This one. 1001. Do we have 1001? Yes. But these are totally different. Here we have this and this one. Let's compare 11001100 empty box, 11 empty box, and O. So I need to switch those two numbers. We have a 1 here, so this should be an O, and this should be a 1. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. And then double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, so the rest are O's. And now, do I need to compare again? That's the question. Look, this column and that column. Let's compare 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Empty box, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. So these two digits I need to switch. So we have a 1 here, so this should be an O, and this should be in 1. Between two O's comes an 1, between two 1s comes an O. Finish in 9 minutes. Wow. This binary, tough one. I think, yeah, you need to think a lot for this binary. So 3 stars out of 4. Yes? Alright, thank you for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku, a tectonic Sudoku. So, thank you and bye-bye.